A $12 billion check just landed on a startup that most people have never heard of. Somewhere in a lab right now, a machine is learning to move like a human hand while a hospital across the ocean is training an algorithm to read your X-ray faster than any radiologist alive. Investors who once called robotics too risky and too expensive are now throwing more money at it than at any point in history. By the time this video ends, you will understand exactly why billions of dollars are pouring into robots and healthcare AI at a pace nobody predicted, and why the next 12 months could reshape industries you interact with every single day. Before we go further, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because this channel breaks down the biggest shifts in technology and money before they hit the mainstream news cycle. What you are about to hear involves numbers so large they sound like typos, companies you have never heard of quietly becoming worth more than entire airlines, and a race between the United States, Europe, and China that is only getting more intense. If you care about where the world is heading, where your next job might come from, or where your next investment opportunity might be hiding, this is the video for you. Stick around until the end, because the final section reveals which sector inside this boom is growing the fastest and why almost nobody is talking about it yet. Let's start with the number that stopped a lot of investors in their tracks this year. Robotics startups have already raised $18.8 billion globally in 2026, and that is before the year is even over. To put that in perspective, all of 2025 combined only produced $15 billion in robotics funding. Even the previous record year, 2021, at the height of pandemic-era tech optimism, only reached $14.1 billion, meaning this year has already smashed every prior record with 6 months still left on the clock. For years, robotics was seen as the boring, expensive cousin of software investing. Building physical machines meant factories, supply chains, hardware failures, and long timelines before any real return showed up. Software, on the other hand, could scale overnight with almost no physical cost. That entire mindset has flipped in the last 18 months, and the reason comes down to one phrase that is now dominating boardrooms everywhere: embodied AI. Embodied AI simply means artificial intelligence that lives inside a physical body and interacts with the real world in real time. Instead of just answering questions on a screen, these systems can see, touch, walk, grip, and adapt to changing environments the same way a human would. Investors who spent years funding chatbots and cloud software are now realizing that the next massive leap is not digital, it is physical. That shift in thinking is exactly what unlocked this wave of record-breaking capital. Let's talk about who is actually getting this money, because the numbers behind individual deals are almost hard to believe. An Austin-based defense startup called Saronic, which builds autonomous sea vessels, raised $1.75 billion in a single funding round earlier this year. That round alone pushed the 4-year-old company's valuation past $9 billion, more than double what it was worth just 1 year earlier. A defense technology company barely old enough to have a full leadership team is now worth more than many publicly traded corporations that have existed for decades. Germany is not sitting on the sidelines either. Robotics, a company building the underlying AI infrastructure that lets robots learn, collaborate, and operate inside real-world environments, secured up to $1.4 billion in fresh funding. This makes it one of the largest robotics deals to ever come out of Europe. It signals something important, that this robotics boom is not confined to Silicon Valley. It is a genuinely global race, with serious European players fighting for position. Then there is Skilled AI, a company with one of the boldest missions in the entire sector. Their goal is to build what they call an omni-bodied brain, a single AI system flexible enough to control almost any robot for almost any task. In January alone, Skilled AI raised $1.4 billion, tripling its valuation to more than $14 billion in a matter of months. When a company triples in value that fast, it usually means investors believe they are looking at the next foundational platform of an entire industry, not just another product. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping number of the year did not even come from a pure robotics company. Prometheus, a physical AI startup backed by one of the most famous entrepreneurs on the planet, raised $12 billion in a single funding round, landing at a $41 billion valuation. Their stated mission is nothing small either. They want to build what they call an artificial general engineer, an AI system capable of compressing the entire design and manufacturing cycle for everything from jet engines to medical devices to consumer electronics. When a single funding round is larger than the entire GDP of some countries, you know the world is watching something historic unfold. Now, here is where the story gets even more interesting, because robotics is not growing alone. Healthcare has quietly become one of the fastest-growing corners of this entire funding boom. And it is not just hype, it is measurable. Industry data breaking down where robotics capital actually flows shows healthcare robotics now claims roughly 22% of all sector funding, trailing only industrial automation. That places healthcare ahead of logistics, ahead of drones, and ahead of agricultural robotics combined. Think about what that actually means in practical terms. Surgical robots that assist doctors with precision no human hand can replicate are attracting serious capital. Rehabilitation robotics designed to help patients recover from strokes, injuries, or surgeries faster are being funded at levels never seen before. These are not experimental side projects buried in university labs anymore. They are becoming venture-backed companies with real product roadmaps and real hospital partnerships. One striking example comes from a preventive healthcare startup co-founded by the same entrepreneur who built one of the world's largest music streaming platforms. That company, focused on early detection and full-body health scanning, raised $700 million in a single funding round. Investors are betting that catching disease earlier through AI-powered diagnostics could save both lives and enormous amounts of money across entire healthcare systems. When founders from completely unrelated industries start pouring their reputations and resources into healthcare AI, it tells you something about where smart money believes the future is heading. It is not only expensive hardware getting funded either. Plenty of the money is flowing into the software layer that makes hospitals actually run smoother. One startup building AI operating systems specifically for healthcare administration raised over $100 million in seed funding alone. At one major university health system, their fax routing AI agent automated more than 5,000 faxes every single month, freeing up an amount of staff time worth close to $300,000 annually. It sounds almost too simple to matter, automating paperwork, but multiply that efficiency across thousands of hospitals worldwide, and the economic impact becomes staggering. So why is all of this happening at exactly this moment in history? Part of the answer lies in how the broader venture capital world has evolved throughout 2026. Global startup investment hit a record $510 billion in just the first half of this year, an astonishing figure on its own. A huge chunk of that, over 40%, went to just two massive AI foundation model companies. But here is the important part. The rest of the money did not disappear. It spread outward into adjacent sectors like defense, infrastructure, robotics, and healthcare. That spillover effect is exactly what created this current surge. Once investors saw artificial intelligence prove itself inside chatbots and productivity software, they started asking an obvious follow-up question: what happens when this intelligence gets a body? Robotics and healthcare became the two most natural answers to that question, because both industries desperately need automation, precision, and scale that only advanced AI can now provide. The money simply followed the logic. There is also a geopolitical layer driving this race that cannot be ignored. China has been aggressively pushing its own robotics companies toward public listings, with major humanoid robot manufacturers filing for multi-billion-dollar IPOs in Shanghai. The United States and Europe are watching this unfold and responding with their own accelerated funding rounds, partly out of genuine excitement and partly out of fear of falling behind. This is quickly becoming less about individual company success and more about which region controls the next generation of physical automation technology. Meanwhile, in Europe specifically, the regulatory environment is shifting right alongside the funding boom. The European Union has been rolling out its AI Act in phases, with major obligations for high-risk AI systems set to apply starting in August of this year. Healthcare AI, given its direct impact on human well-being, sits squarely inside those high-risk categories that regulators are watching most closely. Companies raising billions of dollars for healthcare robotics in Europe now have to build compliance and safety documentation directly into their earliest stage planning, something American startups have far less pressure to worry about right now. This creates a fascinating dynamic where speed and caution are pulling against each other on opposite sides of the Atlantic. American robotics and healthcare AI startups can often move faster, ship products quicker, and iterate with fewer regulatory hurdles standing in their way. European startups, meanwhile, are being forced to build trust, safety, and transparency into their systems from day one, which could actually become a competitive advantage once global healthcare systems demand proof that these AI tools are truly safe. Which approach wins in the long run is genuinely still an open question, and it is one of the most important business stories developing in real time right now. Let's zoom out for a moment and talk about what all of this means beyond just the impressive dollar figures. When a sector goes from $14 billion at its previous peak to nearly $19 billion in half a year, that is not a small trend. That is a fundamental restructuring of where global capital believes the future lies. Robots are no longer confined to factory floors welding car parts in repetitive motions. They are entering operating rooms, rehabilitation centers, defense fleets, and even the design process for the products we use every single day. For everyday people watching from the outside, this shift raises real questions worth sitting with. Will hospitals near you eventually rely on AI-powered surgical assistance as a standard part of care rather than a rare specialty? Will the next generation of factory jobs, warehouse jobs, or even engineering jobs look completely different because of embodied AI systems working alongside or instead of humans? These are not distant hypothetical questions anymore. They are decisions currently being shaped by the billions of dollars we just walked through together. There is also an investment angle worth understanding, even if you are not personally putting money into venture deals. Publicly traded companies connected to robotics components, healthcare AI infrastructure, and automation software are increasingly influenced by these private funding trends. When private investors are willing to pour over $18 billion into robotics in a single year, that enthusiasm tends to eventually ripple into public markets, supply chains, and even job postings in your own city. Understanding these shifts early, before they become mainstream headlines, is exactly the kind of edge that separates people who see change coming from people who get caught off guard by it. Now here is that fastest growing corner I promised to reveal at the beginning of this video. While humanoid robots and defense technology grab most of the dramatic headlines because of their massive individual funding rounds, healthcare robotics has been quietly climbing the percentage rankings faster than almost any other subsector. It already commands roughly 22% of total robotics capital, and industry analysts expect that share to keep climbing as aging populations across the United States, Europe, and parts of Asia create unavoidable demand for automated care solutions. This is not a trend fueled purely by hype or excitement. It is being pulled forward by genuine, unavoidable demographic necessity. Think about it from a purely practical standpoint. Populations across major economies are aging faster than healthcare systems can hire and train enough human staff to keep up. Robotics and AI are not being funded as a luxury upgrade. They are increasingly being funded as the only realistic solution to a staffing shortage that is only going to get worse over the coming decade. That is precisely why smart money keeps flowing toward this specific corner of the market even when other tech sectors experience temporary slowdowns. So where does all of this leave us as we head into the second half of 2026 and beyond? The evidence strongly suggests this is not a temporary bubble inflated by hype and easy money, but rather a genuine structural shift in how investors view the intersection of artificial intelligence and the physical world. Robotics has graduated from being viewed as a risky, capital-intensive gamble into being seen as one of the most important frontiers in the entire technology industry. Healthcare has emerged as one of its most promising and fastest-growing applications, driven by real-world necessity rather than speculative excitement alone. The companies we talked about today, from Saronic to Robotics to Skilled AI to Prometheus, are not just chasing headlines with their massive funding rounds. They represent a broader belief among some of the world's smartest investors that intelligence without a physical body has already proven its value, and the next massive opportunity lies in giving that intelligence hands, legs, and the ability to act directly in our physical world. Whether that plays out inside a hospital operating room, a defense shipyard, or a factory floor, the underlying story remains the same. Artificial intelligence is stepping out of our screens and into our physical reality faster than most people realized was even possible. That brings us to the end of today's deep dive into one of the fastest-moving stories in modern technology and finance. If this breakdown helped you understand where robotics and healthcare AI funding is really headed, do not scroll away without hitting that subscribe button, because we track stories exactly like this one every single week before they hit mainstream headlines. Drop a comment below telling us which company from today's video surprised you the most, whether it was the $12 billion Prometheus round or Germany's Robotics quietly becoming a European powerhouse. Thank you for watching until the very end, and we will see you in the next video, where we uncover the next big shift happening right under everyone's radar.